So what are these Zangfo organs? We have 5 Zang and 6 Fo organs. For the 5 Zang, we have the liver, spleen, lung, kidney, and the heart. The pericardium is supposedly or a part of the heart. So we have only 5 Zang organs. For the 6 Fo organs, we have the small intestine, the large intestine, the gallbladder, the stomach, the urinary bladder, and the sanjiao. So aside from the 5 Zang and 6 Fu organs, we also have the extraordinary organs. We also have 6, namely the brain, the marrow, the bone, the blood vessel, the gallbladder, and the uterus. So the gallbladder, aside from being a Fu organ, is also considered as an extraordinary organ. Okay? So how to divide the organs? The organs which are solid and containing essence are considered the Zang organs. The organs which are empty, receiving food, water, and passing waste are the Fu organs. The organs which are empty and containing essence are the extraordinary Fu organs. Okay? So now we go to the Zang organs. First, we have the heart. Let's start. Okay. Now let's start with the heart. The heart has the function of controlling blood circulation, taking charge of mental activities. It also controls sweats, controls blood vessels, and the pulse strength. It opens into the tongue and manifests in the face, functions, jaw. Okay. Now we have problems with problems of the heart. If we have heart issues, we usually have palpitations and chest pain, dream disturbed sleep, insomnia, or we could also have amnesia. Problems of the heart could also manifest with manic depressive psychosis, dementia, abnormal happiness, and sadness. There could also be aphasia and delirium, night sweats, pale or red complexion, irregular pulse, and overjoy. Okay. Now we go to the liver. Liver has the function of soothing and regulating the flow of qi and blood, storing and regulating blood, and the liver has a relationship with the tendons, nails, and eyes. The liver is in charge of or associated with the emotion of anger. Okay. So for its soothing and regulating the flow of qi and blood function, the liver helps in the digestion of the spleen and stomach. So it helps the stomach and spleen in the digestion of food. It also helps in the secretion of the gallbladder, and it relates to emotional activities. Okay. So what happens if there is dysfunction or disharmony in the liver? This will present with hypochondriac pain, a distending pain in the breast, lower abdomen, and the vertex. There's also indigestion, depression, anger. There is abnormal menstruation and abdominal masses. There could also be eye problems, weakness in limbs, and fragile nails. So each Sang organ opens into a sense organ, indicating a close structural or physiological and pathological relationship between the internal organs and the sense organs. So for the heart, it opens into the tongue, the liver to the eye, the spleen to the mouth, the kidney to the nose, and the lung to the nose, and the kidney to the ears.